tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to create a night sky in an image that is normally during the daytime. We're going to use an overlay, and this is part of the Urban Rhino Photoshop overlays that we have available, and I'll include a link to those. For this particular one, I want to put, I'm not going to do like a starry type night, but kind of just a sunset. So I'm going to go to Place Embedded. I have my image pulled up here that I want to use. And I'm going to find my overlay that I want to use. So I'm in the overlay folder here, so I'm going to select Night Skies. And from here, I'm just going to find one that I want to use. I'm going to go with this number 48 and place it. I'll need to enlarge it here so that it fits. So we're going to go like that. And then what I need to do is create a layer mask and brush off the layer in the areas that I don't want it. And usually to do this, I'll lower the opacity so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm just going to enlarge my brush. It's at 100% right now. And make sure you're on a black brush. And you're just going to begin brushing off a majority of it here. And then you'll have to zoom in and get all of the details around the buildings or whatever you're trying to work around. So I'm not going to spend an hour going around all this stuff for the tutorial, but just to give you an idea of how this works. And I'm keeping the layer set to normal. So sometimes when we use overlays, we put it on like a screen mode, but we won't for this particular one. So for the most part, I'm just going to kind of roughly go around these edges, show you her little face here. Okay, that's good enough for tutorial purposes. So when I raise the opacity back up, you can see, and like I said, I would go around the buildings better so that they're sharper edges. So this is the before, and then this is the after. You want to make sure you get anything that you might have missed down here. Before, after, like that. Once it's completely done, so I've already did a layer ahead of time that has all of the edges cleaned up, and I raised the saturation some. So this is what I was left with here. And then I'll continue on editing. You want to make sure any kind of little fine lines, like I had to go around the little light here, and the light post there, the power line, all of that stuff, you want to make sure that you brush those off so you can still see them through the sky. So again, this is the before, and then this is the after, and then I will continue editing, and so if you stay tuned, you can see the rest of the speed edit. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Watching this video. Make sure you stay connected with Urban Rhino on social media, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and of course, subscribe to our channel.